Well, Happy New Year 2024, and just a quick one. People have been raising concerns about language on this channel of Acholi Pro Info TV. Those who wish to listen in English have been complaining on certain videos which are in Acholi that needs to be translated into English. But at times, it is not easy to translate all the update videos. It is very complicated. Even bigger channels like NTV can fail at times because you need the news to go quick, and you know, with news, if you spend time 1 or 2 days to edit, that one will mean it will no longer be news, it will be outdated. Then there are those who are also saying the language should be in Acholi on videos which are in English. For those one, they don't say that it should be translated from English to Acholi, and that one is not a small issue to us. It is a very serious issue to me, and I have to say I've considered and decision that I've derived, because this channel is yours. It is meant to serve you, not me. The decision that I've arrived at is whatever channel, whatever means that English, that Acholi language can be translated to English, it will be translated. And whatever means that English can be translated to Acholi, it will be translated using closed caption. Then the title for every video that is in English will be in English. And the title for every video that is in Acholi language, Olo language, will also remain in Wo language. That is a new update for the year 2024. Thank you very much for staying in 2023. May God keep you safe and bless you in your work that you will be doing this year. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and we will keep meeting in the next videos. Thank you and bye bye.